Set, be useful challenge. I think we're playing this 4v5, but I think we actually still win. I don't think it's worth ulting, solo ulting Alistar. No, they're doing the drag. This is a terrible call from them. Okay, not if they live. Fuck. Oh, Shiba. This is one. I mean, it should be one. Our set's trying his hardest to not make it one, but I need to report him, I forgot. I think I finished Medjai's. Yeah, Cat's... I don't know. I don't think Cat's a good champ, so... Maybe I should help. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I think I should have shoved one more bot. I should have pushed one more bot.